Taking a look at Bitcoin from the previous video, we can see that Bitcoin has finally broken over the 236 retracement and has now pierced through the 382 retracement, which would actually suggest that as long as we remain above the 382 retracement, which is 95,500, we could actually look for a larger rally up to 100,000. However, as of time of recording, the price of Bitcoin is actually below the 382 retracement, which means failing to get back over 95.7 in a timely manner would actually suggest another sell-off is still in play. It is also worth noting that the price of Bitcoin has been forming a major bear flag, potentially signaling that a move to the downside is possible. Even the sense of a rising wedge is in play, with the peak of the wedge being potentially around $100,000, depending on when the price action takes place. Whether or not this is a bear flag or not has yet to be determined, and in my opinion, breaking over 106,000 would actually suggest that this is no longer bearish and it's actually making a move for a new all-time high. On the flip side, failure to reclaim the 618 retracement or the $100,000 0.5 retracement would still suggest that we are stuck in a bearish trend. However, there's no guarantees the price will capitulate just because we get rejected. In order to confirm a capitulation to the downside, we would need to see the price of Bitcoin break below the 618 retracement in the other direction, which you can see is just below the rising wedge at around $86,000. This would suggest that at any time, Bitcoin breaking below $86,000, especially after making a series of higher highs, would suggest that a new low for Bitcoin is coming, potentially at 71,000. However, as long as we remain inside of this uptrend, we could make the case another move to the upside is possible between $100,000 and $106,000, in my opinion.